Miss Styles, you're on Hot 107.9. Hello.
I just want to get your opinion on something.
Okay.
So I've been married for 2 years, and my husband was just deployed for 6 months.
Okay.
But I don't think I can go 6 months without having sex.
So what are you calling me? What are you calling me for?
I don't know. I don't want to have a bad, guilty conscience over this, but would it be terrible if I cheated on him?
Your boyfriend's getting deployed in the military, and you're asking me if you can cheat on him?
For sex. I wouldn't date anybody else.
Why can't you just hold out for 6 months?
Could you hold out for 6 months?
I mean, if my wife was going to fight for our country, yeah. Let me ask you this. If you woke up tomorrow and got a message or got a call saying that your husband died fighting for our country, how would you feel?
I mean, that's his fault for leaving me.
Look, I don't ever say this to women on my show, but I think that you are, like, the biggest bitch ever.
I listen to you, every day. All I wanted was your opinion. I can't believe you just called me a bitch.
You just called into my radio station asking if it was okay for you to cheat on your husband because you can't go 6 months without sex while he's being deployed.
Who do you think you are calling me a bitch? Are you serious?
I don't just call anyone a bitch, but when you call my show asking if you could cheat on your husband because you can't go 6 months without sex while he's being deployed, and then I ask you how would you feel if you got a message asking, saying that he died fighting for our country, you just answered with, that's his fault for leaving me. He's got a job to do.
Really? This is how you guys treat your customers? You guys are a business.
No, I don't.
You just called me a bitch.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't treat other people like that, just you, because you're heartless.